The EU Digital Identity Wallet. It's a new system being introduced across Europe. In simple terms, it is a digital version of your identity that will live on your phone through an official EU approved app. It is designed to store things like your passport, driving license, and other official documents in digital form so you can use them online or in person. Instead of carrying a physical ID or uploading documents every time you use a service, you could verify yourself instantly. So, how it is supposed to work? Your identity information is stored securely on your phone. When a server needs to be confirmed something about you, you choose what to share. For example, you could prove you are 18 without showing your full name, address, or date of birth. You could also sign official documents digitally in seconds, and it is designed to work across all EU countries. So your digital identity would be accepted anywhere in European Union. Now, what is happening in different EU countries? Several countries are already testing or building their own version of the system. Germany and France are leading large-scale pilot program testing how the wallet will work in real life. Italy is developing its own national digital identity system that will being allied with the EU rules. Spain is also testing digital ID services linked to the government platforms. The Netherlands, Finland, and Denmark have been part of the entire pilot project testing how digital identity works across borders. And Ireland is currently being testing its own version of the EU Digital Identity Wallet. Ireland's systems is being designed to connect with the public services and will eventually be used for things like accessing government services, verifying identity, and storing official documents. It is accepted to be rolled out as a part of the EU requirement by the 2026. The EU says the goal is to make life easier, reduce paperwork, improve security, and reduce fraud. But there is also a concern. One major concern is privacy. Even if the system is designed to protect data, people worry about how often it could be used and whatever it could create a tracking across services. Another concern is security. A system that holds so much identity information could become a major target for hackers. There is also the issue of dependence. If services being to rely heavily on digital identity, people may struggle to access things without it. And then there is a centralization. The more services connected to one system, the more sensitive data is tied together in one place. But another important question is this: do we actually need it? Because alternatives already exist. We already have physical passports, driving licenses, national ID systems, and secure online banking. and government logins that already work independently today. Critics argue that instead of replacing those systems, we could simply improve what already exists. Supporters says it is a modern upgrade that makes everything more convenient and secure. Right now, the law is already active, but each country is still building and testing its own version. So, the real debate is not just about technology, it is about whatever Europe needs one unified digital identity system, or whatever the system we already have are enough.